Wow, no indicator, nothing. Just gets in. Brilliant. I don't know, I'm just having that feeling that this guy's gonna take a halt in between and take a right turn somewhere. See, I told you. I don't know, I just had that feeling that this guy is gonna hold in between and just take a right turn in the middle of the road. What a maniac! You could see there's traffic on the other side of the road. Still he wanted to come from this side. Wow. Weird people here. What a crazy dickhead. I was almost gonna bump into him. Oh, fuck. Look at this guy. He's having headphones there on the extreme right scooter. This road, Andheri Ghatkoper road, has no rules. If you have to reach some destination on this road, just wherever you get space, just put your vehicle in that. Nobody follows the rules over here. Nobody. Even if you try to follow it, they'll be like, hey, what are you doing? Move on, come on. Whoa, what a moron. He stopped his rickshaw in the middle for a customer. Don't drive from the wrong side.